There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT in bright white. With bi-xenon headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, BREMBO front brakes, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 50,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, select track system, heated rear seats, panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 6.4-liter V8 Hemi engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number 90984A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.